Workshop Wednesday. How are you today? I'm good. I'm busy. I'm busy drawing, getting ready. Big day tomorrow. We're headed to Dickens, Texas to Bit and Spur Gathering at Matt Humphrey's place, and gonna be a fun time. Lots of room for anybody that wants to come. Y'all come join us. We're gonna talk shop for 2 days and have a good time doing it. So it's gonna be awesome. Okay, I'll show you what I'm doing right now. Designing on, let me get the glare out of the way. Designing on a bit shank. Mine right there is drawn over on Rhino CAD program. Then this is good old Photoshop. I'll come over here and add color, and y'all can see that I got me some scrolls and all kinds of things going on. This bit right here, going to be for the Cowtown Collection at the Brumbaugh's Fine Western Furnishings Furniture Store, Fort Worth, in November. It's gonna be a fun time. Gonna do that. This is a little tribute and takeoff to my good friend Jim Edwards. He been working with Jim for 23 years, and so this bit is one that is basically exactly the same as one of his. It's very popular in the Western performance horse world. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something that's relatable to our Western horse world and a performance horse world, and see what we can't spice it up a whole bunch, right? Make it fun and exciting. So. And I'll show you another little deal I got done with. Speaking of the Brumbaugh show, I just got done with a fancy buckle for Miss Sally. Miss Sally Brumbaugh, it's her buckle. So we got it in here in the light tent. I took pictures of it earlier and all that. This is my light tent set up. You don't see that in the gun room. Anyhow, that's that. That was fun. 14 karat gold scrolls there. I drew the monogram, and these scrolls are way different than what I usually do. And I've done some like them, but very few. Most of them, it's just a simple backbone of the scroll. But yeah, that's kind of cool. It's a fun buckle to be done with. Big one, 1.5 inch. So for 1.5 inch belt, so a little bigger in size, and all that. But it'll look good with Miss Sally wearing it around. So anyhow, Patreon's rolling. Spur Workshop's going. Got that October. We're already in September and nearly done. October 18th to the 21st is Spur Workshop. Got Engraving Workshop in November. Be the last ones for the deal. I've mentioned not going to do workshops next year. Still do private lessons and things like that. And, but as far as me scheduling 6 workshops and having them, no, that's not going to happen here at the shop on the website anyhow. So anyhow, we'll see what transpires next year. But anyhow, all's well, and good lazy day with the dogs. So TCA show next week. Yeah, that's gonna be big fun and exciting. Can't wait to be there, see all my buddies, and I'll be back at the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum and see all the fans and friends of the TCA. So hope to see you guys there. Come see us. Adios.